Welcome to our DDR5 RAM battle. Today, we are comparing two powerful contenders, the Crucial Pro 32GB DDR5 RAM kit and the Corsair Vengeance 96GB DDR5 RAM. Both of these memory kits boast impressive specifications, but which one is the better choice for your gaming rig or workstation? Let's dive into the details and find out. When it comes to pricing, the Crucial Pro 32GB RAM kit is priced at $131, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious gamers and builders. On the other hand, the Corsair Vengeance 96GB RAM kit comes in at $310, reflecting its larger capacity and premium features. While the Crucial kit offers great value, the Corsair kit is aimed at those who need more memory for demanding applications. In terms of performance, both RAM kits operate at 6,000 MHz with CL36 latency, ensuring fast and efficient data processing. However, the Crucial Pro kit offers 32 GB of memory, suitable for most gaming needs, while the Corsair Vengeance kit provides a whopping 96 GB, ideal for heavy multitasking and professional workloads. This makes the Corsair kit a powerhouse for users who run memory-intensive applications. Both RAM kits are compatible with Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo, making them versatile options for various builds. The Crucial Pro kit is designed for gamers looking for reliable performance, while the Corsair Vengeance kit's larger capacity makes it suitable for both gaming and professional use. Its compatibility ensures that users can easily integrate them into their systems without hassle. In conclusion, both the Crucial Pro 32GB and Corsair Vengeance 96GB RAM kits have their strengths. The Crucial kit is a fantastic choice for gamers on a budget, while the Corsair kit is perfect for those who need more memory for demanding tasks. Depending on your needs, either option could be the right fit for your setup. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.